I thought freedom would be the reward for working my whole life. But here's the truth no one tells you. Freedom without the right people can feel surprisingly empty. Because at some point, the goals that once drove you start to fade. The promotions, the achievements, the busy schedule that made you feel important. And what's left is time. And that time has a way of revealing what actually matters. And for most people, it's not what they expected. It's not more independence. It's connection, because relationships quietly become the center of everything. Your spouse, your children, your grandchildren, your friends, and even your neighbors. These are the people who shape your days and give meaning to your time. And if those relationships are strong, life feels rich. But if they're neglected, no amount of freedom can replace that emptiness. And the mistake many people make is assuming relationships will just take care of themselves, that they'll always be there waiting. But like anything meaningful, they require intention, time, and energy. And here's the shift that changes everything. Instead of designing your life around what you want to do, start designing it around who you want to be with. Build your days around shared meals, long conversations, helping someone, showing up consistently, because those small moments compound into something powerful that creates belonging, purpose, and a sense that your life is deeply connected to others. And that's where the real fulfillment comes from. Not from doing more, but in sharing more. And if you're thinking about what a great retirement looks like, don't just ask that you spend time, but ask who you spend time with. Because in the end, that's the part that actually lasts. And that's the part most people wish they had focused on sooner.